Ladies and gentlemen, look closely. What you see before you is not just an SUV, it is a masterpiece of intimidation. This is the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno, reimagined by the master craftsman at TopCar Design. It is a vehicle that takes the legendary boxy silhouette of the G-Wagon and injects it with a level of aggression that feels almost supernatural. A car that looks like it was forged in the depths of a volcano and polished in a laboratory. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will understand why the Inferno is widely considered the most brutal, most expensive, and most visually arresting G-Class transformation on the planet. This is not for the faint of heart. This is for the 1% of the 1%. A declaration of absolute dominance that combines German precision with TopCar's signature carbon fiber obsession. In a world of luxury SUVs, the Inferno doesn't just stand out, it commands the entire landscape. The G-Class needs no introduction. Since 1979, it has been the gold standard for off-road capability and military-grade luxury. But TopCar Design doesn't settle for standard. Based in Europe, TopCar is world-renowned for their Inferno programs, where they take the already exceptional AMG G63 and strip it down to its bare bones. Their philosophy is simple: more carbon, more width, and more presence. The Inferno package is one of the most complex body kits in the world, consisting of over 70 individual components, almost all of which are crafted from high-grade carbon fiber. This isn't just a tuning job, it is a total reconstruction. Every panel is realigned, every vent is sharpened, and every detail is scrutinized to ensure that the final result is a machine that operates on an entirely different emotional frequency than a factory G-Wagon. The exterior of the 2026 G63 Inferno is a masterclass in brutalism. The body is significantly wider than the stock AMG, thanks to massively flared front and rear fenders that give the car a squat, muscular stance. But the star of the show is the carbon fiber. TopCar uses a specialized shark blue or obsidian black weave that catches the light in a way that regular paint simply cannot. The front end is dominated by a completely redesigned AMG Pan-Americana grille, framed by a massive carbon fiber hood that features dual air intakes and sharp, angular power domes. The front bumper is a work of art in itself, integrated with additional LED running lights and aggressive aerodynamic splitters that sit just inches from the ground. From the side, the Inferno's profile is defined by the sharp side exit exhausts, an AMG signature, but finished here in a bespoke matte black coating. The wheels are 23-inch forged alloys designed specifically for the Inferno package, filling the arches with zero gap. Every line on the side of the car, from the door inserts to the roof-mounted light bar, is finished in exposed carbon fiber, creating a dual tone effect that is both stealthy and incredibly high-end. The rear of the 2026 Inferno is where the design reaches its most satisfying conclusion. The iconic spare tire cover is replaced by a TopCar exclusive carbon fiber shield featuring the brand's shark logo. Above the rear window sits a massive two-piece roof spoiler that isn't just for show. It's designed to stabilize the air at high speeds. The rear bumper mirrors the aggression of the front, with an integrated diffuser and heavy venting. The full-width LED taillights have been tinted to match the dark aesthetic of the Inferno program. When you stand behind this car, you feel the sheer scale of the work. It is wider, meaner, and far more sophisticated than anything that ever rolled off the production line in Graz. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast. Underneath that carbon fiber hood lies the legendary 4.0-liter V8 Biturbo engine. While the standard G63 produces 577 horsepower, The Inferno package often includes performance tuning that pushes that figure north of 700 horsepower and 950 newton-meters of torque. 0 to 60? In a vehicle that weighs nearly 2.5 tons, the Inferno reaches it in a staggering 3.8 seconds. But the numbers are only half the story. The sound is the other half. TopCar equips the Inferno with a bespoke Akrapovic titanium exhaust system. In comfort mode, it hums with a refined low-frequency rumble, but switch it to Sport Plus and the valves open to release a mechanical symphony that sounds like a thunderstorm trapped in a metal box. The crackles and pops on the downshift are addictive, turning every tunnel into a concert hall for V8 lovers. The AMG ride control suspension has been recalibrated to handle the wider track and larger wheels, ensuring that even with its aggressive looks, the Inferno still handles with the precision of a performance car. Step inside, and the brutal exterior gives way to a sanctuary of absolute opulence. TopCar offers a completely bespoke interior program where no two cars are the same. In this 2026 model, we see a night blue Napa leather theme with honeycomb stitching. Every plastic piece has been replaced by either genuine carbon fiber or hand-stitched Alcantara. The dashboard features the latest dual-screen MBUX setup, but with custom Inferno graphics. The steering wheel is a mix of carbon fiber and perforated leather, featuring the AMG drive unit buttons that allow you to change the car's personality with a thumb flick. The Starlight headliner, inspired by the likes of Rolls-Royce, adds a touch of celestial elegance to the rugged cabin. This is the Inferno balance, a tank on the outside, a private jet on the inside. Now, the price. A standard AMG G63 starts at roughly $180,000 USD. However, the Inferno transformation by TopCar Design is an investment in itself. The body kit, the wheels, the interior, and the performance tuning can add anywhere from $100,000 to $150,000 to the base price. Fully specified, a 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno will cost you between $300,000 and $350,000 USD. This is the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno, the king of the concrete jungle. Thank you for watching this deep dive into one of the world's most incredible SUVs. Like this video if you love carbon fiber, subscribe to the channel for more exclusive automotive content, and tell us in the comments, would you choose the Inferno over a Brabus G800?